మంచి క్రేజ్ ఉన్న నాయకులు, బెంగళూరులో పార్లమెంట్ సభ్యులు, ఈరోజు మనందరికీ ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్లో ఒక ఊపు తేవడానికి విచ్చేసిన శ్రీ తేజస్వి సూర్య గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాను. मेरे साथ बोलिए जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम। भाग्यनगर की भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा के मेरे साथियों, आप सबको मेरे हृदय से बहुत बहुत अभिवादन और अभिनंदन। जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम। एनर्जेटिक स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट, my colleague in the parliament, under whose leadership Bharatiya Janata Party has written history in Telangana by winning Dubbaka, Bandi Sanjay Garu, Premendra Reddy Garu, my dear brother, Yuva Morcha State President Bhanu Prakash, and all my dear Karyakartas of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Thank you so much for giving me such a warm welcome and all of your love. Thank you so much. Friends, Change Hyderabad is a massive campaign whose influence will not be restricted to the local body elections of Hyderabad. Change Hyderabad today will mean change Telangana tomorrow and change South India day after tomorrow. The whole nation today is watching Hyderabad. आज पूरा देश हैदराबाद के तरफ देख रहा है। साथियों, आज हैदराबाद में एक परिवर्तन का नया माहौल सृष्टि हुआ है, सृजन हुआ है। And the basis for this new change are the Samanya Karyakartas of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Friends, I come from Karnataka. I represent Bengaluru. There are millions and millions of Telugu speaking people in Karnataka and in my own constituency of Bengaluru. In my interaction with the youth of Telangana, there is one thing that has always come to my mind. The youth of Telangana are one of the most talented, most capable and most hard-working youth in the country. Friends, last year I had gone to the United States of America for a program of the party. The highest number of engineers, highest number of doctors, highest number of contributing people in United States of America come from the Telugu nation of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. You take any examination of the country, IIT एग्जाम हो, IIM का एग्जाम हो, NEET का एग्जाम हो, किसी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम को आप देखिए, टॉप 10 में लगभग 50% युवा तेलंगाना और आंध्र प्रदेश से ही आ रहा है. That is the kind of talent, the kind of hard work that young people of Telangana, they all have always been doing. But this state, unfortunately, in the last so many years, has not had good governance. Government is not working for the common people of Telangana. Government is not working for the common youth of Telangana. Government is working only for one family of Telangana. That is the difficulty of Telangana today. Friends, today I stand before you as a member of parliament, as the national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party Yuva Morcha. I come from a very, very common family like all of you. I am a Samanya Karyakarta of the Bharatiya Janata Party. When I contested elections last year, I had 12 lakh rupees in my bank account. But my party identifies a Samanya Karyakarta, makes them a leader and makes them a national leader. That is the Bharatiya Janata Party. एक अति सामान्य कार्यकर्ता अत्यंत सामान्य परिवार से जो आता है वो राष्ट्रीय नेता बन सकता है. वो सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी में ही संभव है. ये हमारे पार्टी का विशेषता है. Democracy's definition has changed in Hyderabad. What did we learn in college? Democracy means system of the people, by the people, for the people. What is going on in Telangana and Hyderabad? Government and party of the family, by the family, for the family. आप किसी इलेक्शंस को देखिए, जनरल इलेक्शंस हो या बाय इलेक्शन हो, चेहरा कौन सा दिखता है? एक इलेक्शन में केसीआर, दूसरा इलेक्शन में केटीआर, तीसरा इलेक्शन में हरीश राव, और हैदराबाद में एक चेहरा अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी, दूसरा चेहरा असादुद्दीन ओवैसी. ये सब लोगों ने राजनीति को प्राइवेट एंटरप्राइज बना दिया है. These people have made public political parties into private companies. And today, the youth of Telangana, on behalf of all of you, on all your shoulders is a very, very big responsibility. What is that responsibility? That responsibility is to change the definition of democracy in Telangana and take it back to its original definition of the people, by the people, for the people. Only the Bharatiya Janata Party can do this. भारतीय जनता पार्टी किसी एक व्यक्ति का पार्टी नहीं है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी नरेंद्र मोदी जी का पार्टी नहीं है, नड्डा जी का पार्टी नहीं है, अमित शाह जी का पार्टी नहीं है, मेरा पार्टी नहीं है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी हम सब का पार्टी है. दिस इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ द भारतीय जनता पार्टी. फ्रेंड्स, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the young people of the country have rejected all family politics. Even just look at the map of the country today. For 60 long years after independence, Jammu Kashmir was ruled by Mehbooba Mufti's family and Umar Abdullah's family. Today, where are they? People have sent them on permanent quarantine. Come to Bihar. The sun tried so much, but the sun never rose. Even there only Narendra Modi ji's development politics won. You look at the entire country today. The young of the country have decided that politics will not be the confines of rich families and rich political kids alone. Politics belongs to common people like us. We will drive the change in the country. The same thing will happen even in Telangana today, even in Hyderabad today. Friends, this election is not just a municipal election. I want to say two important things. We don't have much time, but two very important things which we have to consider. Why this election is so important? After India became independent, every single year, India is becoming more and more urbanized. शहरीकरण पूरे देश में ज्यादा हो रहा है. लोग अच्छे अवसर के लिए, नया जीवन के लिए, बेहतर सुविधा के लिए गांव से शहर तक पहुंच रहा है. And there is only one government and only one party which has spoken about cities and cities development. आप देखिए भारत का इतिहास. अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी के पहले जो भी इस देश में प्रधानमंत्री बने थे, वो सब लोग सिर्फ गांव के बारे में बात कर रहा था. सिर्फ अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी के बाद वाजपेयी जी ने यह शुरू किया कि भारत में शहरीकरण बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और भारत में जो शहर होते हैं, सब शहर का इंप्रूवमेंट के लिए सिर्फ अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ने पहला बार भारत में पॉलिटिकल डिस्कोर्स शुरू किया. गोल्डन क्वाड्रिलैटरल हो, न्यू हाईवेज हो, हाउसिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स हो, अर्बन डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्ट्री को और मजबूत करने का काम हो, all of this work started during Atal Bihari Vajpayee's time. Only one political party in the country understands the importance of cities and good governance of cities. And after Atal Bihari Vajpayee, for 10 years, all our cities were neglected. All our villages were neglected. No developmental activities took place. Again, after Narendra Modi ji became Prime Minister, because of all of your blessings, Modi ji started 100 smart cities program for the first time in the country. Modi ji started Amrut Mission program for the first time in the country. I want all the Yuva Morcha Karyakartas to ask KCR ji, Narendra Modi ji started the Smart Cities project because of his love for Hyderabad. He added Hyderabad in the list of smart cities. They gave priority in the central allocation of funds. But what happened to the funds that Narendra Modi ji allocated? Where did it go? It went straight into the pockets of the contractors who are supporters of KCR. Friends, today we need to reimagine our cities. Cities are the future growth of the country. Cities are the engine of development for the country. We need to ensure that fast-paced development happens in the country, especially in our cities. Look at the way the BJP, whether it is in Surat, whether it is in Indore, whether it is in my own state of Mysore, in Karnataka, Mysore, whether it is in Dehradun, look at various places where the BJP is in municipal corporation. Cities are clean, roads are clean, pothole free, new development infrastructures are coming up. Real estate mafia is not allowed to build apartments on lakes. There are no floods. Drainage system is kept scientific. New investment is coming. All of this development is happening in all of those cities where the BJP is in power in the municipal corporation. People of Hyderabad have given chance to the Congress. They have given chance to TRS. They have given chance to the TDP. With folded hands, I am requesting, let us all go to every single home in Telangana. घर घर जाएंगे, सबको विनंती करेंगे, अनुरोध करेंगे, एक बार, सिर्फ एक बार भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए आप मौका दीजिए। हम हैदराबाद का चेहरा बदल जाएंगे और ऊंचाई तक हैदराबाद को ले जाएंगे। यही हमारा संकल्प है। We will do this. Friends, if development is one essential feature, the other very important reason the BJP has to win this local body elections in Hyderabad is because the saffron Hindutva symbol of the country, this Tiranga must be flying high. We don't want the Razakars to come back to power in MIM. Friends, please think about this. Why this municipal elections is of national importance? If you vote for OIC here, OIC becomes strong in Maharashtra. If you vote for OIC here, OIC becomes strong in Bihar. If you vote for OIC here, OIC becomes strong in a Muslim locality in Karnataka. If you support OIC here, OIC will become strong in Uttar Pradesh. And what does OIC mean? Who is OIC? OIC is Muhammad Ali Jinnah's new avatar. We must defeat him. Every single vote you give to the Bharatiya Janata Party is a vote for Bharat, is a vote for Hindutva, is a vote for making our country much stronger. A vote for OIC. Please tell this to every single Bharatiya in Telangana, every single Bharatiya in Hyderabad. A vote for OIC will mean a vote against India. A vote for OIC is a defeat for all good things that India stands for. We will not let this Islamization happen. We will not let this Islamization happen. Yuva Morcha Telangana, this is our sankalp. Bharatiya Janata Party Yuva Morcha का संकल्प यही है। साथियों, मैं आज सुबह एक वीडियो देख रहा था। MIM के किसी एक विधायक उसमें बात कर रहा था। न्यू हैदराबाद किसी की हाथ में हो, फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। पुराना शहर ओल्ड हैदराबाद हमारे कब्जे में ही है। हम सबको याद है अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी कैसा बयान दिया था। वो 15 मिनट का बयान। मैं उनको आज इधर से याद करना चाहता हूं। अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी और असदुद्दीन ओवैसी, सुनिए, ये निजामों का काल नहीं है। ये निजामों का काल नहीं है। ये हिंदू हृदय सम्राट नरेंद्र मोदी जी का समय है। आपका कुछ इधर नहीं चलेगा। साथियों, एक TRS और MIM are two faces of the same coin. आप ऐसे टॉस कर दो, हेड्स भी आए टेल्स भी आए, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। हेड्स आई विन, टेल्स यू लूज, यही होता है। अब देखिए, मैं पढ़ रहा था केसीआर जी का विजन क्या था। वो हैदराबाद को इस्तांबुल बनाना चाहते हैं। सही है नहीं? हैदराबाद को इस्तांबुल बनाना चाहते हैं। और इस्तांबुल किस राष्ट्र का राजधानी है? टर्की का। और टर्की क्या है? 100% मुस्लिम कंट्री। और टर्की का जो प्रधानी है, प्राइम प्रेसिडेंट है एर्दोगान, वो भारत के खिलाफ बोलते रहते हैं। भारत में जो हिंदू रहते हैं उनके विरुद्ध वो बोलते रहते हैं। और ये केसीआर जी हैदराबाद को इस्तांबुल जैसा बनाना चाहते हैं। Which is why I am not surprised that they are in partnership with MIM. Because MIM is a Muslim-only party which wants to make Hyderabad of India look like Hyderabad of Pakistan. TRS and MIM are in an alliance together. I want to tell all of them. The Yuva Morcha Karyakartas of Telangana, Yuva Morcha Karyakartas of Hyderabad, we have decided our sankalp is to not let you make Hyderabad Istanbul. We will make Hyderabad Bhagyanagar. That is our sankalp. That is our sankalp. Friends, today KCR, KTR and their pura parivar have realized that the Bharatiya Janata Party is an unstoppable force. They are frightened. They are scared. Which is why every single day they are filing new police cases against our Karyakartas. They are filing or not? Yes. Are our Karyakartas being subject to police attraction, police brutality or not? पर मैं इन सब लोगों को ये समझाना चाहता हूं, भाई साहब, युवा मोर्चा ने ममता बनर्जी से ही नहीं डरा। हाउ कैन यू स्केयर अस? आप डालो, कितना केस डालना चाहते हो आप डालो। हाउ मच एवर लाठी चार्ज यू वांट, यू डू लाठी चार्ज, फाइल केसेस यू वांट, बट युवा मोर्चा का हिम्मत है, वी विल नॉट गो बैक फ्रॉम दिस प्रॉमिस दैट वी हैव। आर यू ऑल विथ मी इन दिस? साथ में है ही नहीं? साथियों, अंत में हम सब साथ मिलकर संकल्प करना है। हैदराबाद में जो चेंज आ रहा है, बदलाव आ रहा है, ये सिर्फ हैदराबाद को ही सीमित नहीं है। ये पूरा तेलंगाना में एक बहुत बड़ा माहौल हो रहा है। और जब तेलंगाना में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार आता है, 2-3 साल के बाद तमिलनाडु में और केरला में भी तेलंगाना के इस इन्फ्लुएंस से पूरे दक्षिण भारत में भारतीय जनता पार्टी का झंडा लगा लेगा। That is the kind of strength all of us have. Friends, let us all change Hyderabad. Because Hyderabad deserves change. Telangana deserves change. I will tell you one sentence. After that, I request all of you to join me by chanting, change Hyderabad. विकास के लिए change Hyderabad. करप्शन फ्री गवर्नेंस के लिए change Hyderabad. फैमिली पॉलिटिक्स को बंद करने के लिए चेंज हैदराबाद। सुशासन को उजागर करने के लिए चेंज हैदराबाद। नए विकास के लिए चेंज हैदराबाद। 21वीं सदी की इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए MIM की टेररिज्म को बंद करने के लिए चेंज हैदराबाद। जय श्री राम के लिए, युवा मोर्चा के लिए, तेलंगाना की इस पवित्र धरती को और ऊंचाई तक लेने के लिए चेंज हैदराबाद। आप सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की।